Good morning, I'm Jonathan Moreno from the Holiday Inn San Antonio, Rivonia. We are here to show you the Coalsmith series Delta. This is bright and smoky. Today we're gonna use the smoky as we got some people coming for lunch. And then we're gonna use the Megamaster cherry chips that are gonna give us a nice flavor and our short ribs that we're gonna be prepping today. This one got the same option. We got the chamber that we're gonna use the logs with the chips. Today we're gonna be doing a short ribs and we'll be cooking for 1 hour just to smoke the whole meat, and we finish in the next 3 to 4 hours the entire process. Also, we're gonna have some skewers. Today I choose to use chicken wings and sausage skewers. We come back to the Coalsmith Delta and we reach a temperature of 135 degrees after approximately 45 minutes. Now we're gonna proceed to put our short ribs, our chicken wings, and our sausage kebabs. We got this nice little tray that can help us to put it in there. This is approximately 4 to 5 pounds. As you can see, we're going enough space. 2 chicken wings, and our sausages. These kind of skewers are very popular in South America. You can get in the streets of Brazil, Colombia, Peru, Venezuela, Ecuador, and they're delicious. Okay, thank you guys. We'll see you in the next hour and we're coming back. We're coming back after 45 minutes to Delta. Now, I mentioned before, we're gonna go and check our sausages. That should be ready and we're gonna check it now. As you guys can see, that's so nice brown gold. The meat is turning beautiful brown. The chicken will take a little bit longer and we're gonna check our temperatures. Wow, it's juicy. Okay guys, we come back after 2.5 hours to Delta. We're gonna take the temperature of the chicken and it's gonna be removed. Okay, as you guys can see, we reached 90 degrees. Chicken is perfect, ready to be served. We're gonna cool down a little bit. We're gonna give a nice, kind of nice starter. And we're gonna wait for the next 3-4 hours and we're gonna check this baby. Should be ready. We've been smoking our short ribs for the last 6 hours, okay? And we're hoping we're gonna be ready for lunch in the next 5 minutes. All right, I'm gonna take the temperature. We're checking about 90 plus degrees and we're ready to remove it. Our short ribs reach 95 degrees. It's gonna be soft and ready to be served. As you guys can see, beautiful crust on top, nice and brown. It's only the spices. The meat is off the bone already, and like I said earlier, we're gonna cook fast and fierce. Okay, it's a beautiful cut of meat. See you on the table. Hey guys, how we doing? We go for lunch today. Everything we got here will smoke in Delta. We're starting for our sausages, our chicken, the bread, and the short ribs. This is kind of tapas style. We're going a fusion here. We got some Spanish fusion, some South American fusion, and some American fusion. All being done in the same smoker. We use Master Chef chips, cherry flavor, just to bring the richness. Hope you guys enjoy it, and please have you enjoy your meal. And I got some barbecue sauce on the side just to put over the meat.
Thank you.
Thank you. Guys.
I really love the smokiness.
Now we're gonna review Delta. This is a beautiful machine, beautiful baby. We start first with our sausages and then with the chicken, and the last one was the meat. We basically used this baby for 6 hours, and in 6 hours it was working wonderful. The first 45 minutes we remove our sausage, 100% cooked. After 2.5 hours we remove our chicken wings, the perfect temperature. For the last 6 hours we took a beautiful piece of short ribs. Okay, now to lighten up this baby, we started with 2 bags of charcoal on the side, and then when the charcoal was really hot we used logs of wood. It took us about 2.5 to 3 bags of logs of wood to keep the fire going and all the smoke into this baby in. What is beautiful thing of these braised smokers is that we can use the chimney to control our temperatures. Our temperature gauge keep telling us how cold, how hot it is. Very light for a family of 6 people. It's a beautiful. If you got friends at home are coming, 10 people, 15 people, this baby works 100%. Wonderful. It's a grill and smoker. And also there's a few things that can be added there. You can not only do meat. We can do potatoes, we can do puddings, we can do bread. You need to be creative. It's just how you're gonna control the temperature, how you need to be checking around, and it works 100%, guys. This is a beautiful girl.